Welcome to Dr. Fred Markets. This is not financial advice. While most people ignore what's happening in the markets, a few choose to pay attention. And that difference, that simple choice to stay informed, changes everything. You're one of them. Let's get into it.
The financial juggernauts are shifting gears. Will you ride the wave or be left in the dust? Today, we're diving into the ornate world of the U.S. stock markets and AI, with stunning developments influencing the landscape. Let's start with a little-known fact. Did you know Intel's stock rocketed 23% post-earnings report, closing in on an unprecedented high? This could mark a pivotal moment in how artificial intelligence becomes an instrumental force in reshaping U.S. markets. Speaking of monumental shifts, let's explore how the San Francisco Giants are reshuffling their financial base by selling a piece of their team to a venture capital firm helmed by Joshua Kushner. Now you have to ask yourself, what does a baseball team see in venture capital and AI? Could it be the data analytics revolutionizing player performance, or a grander vision of merging technology with America's favorite pastime? Meanwhile, Californian investor madness reaches a new peak as a banker seeks to convert his $4 million estate into shares of Anthropic, a trailblazing AI company. Offers are already coming in. Imagine this strategic gamble, trading a lifelong dream home for shares in budding AI. Would you make such a bold move in a world increasingly polarized by tech advancements? China's automotive behemoth BYD proclaims its ability to thrive without U.S. dependence, an astonishing move amid global market complexities. Can BYD's confidence mirror itself in sectors dependent on U.S. innovation and regulations, like AI? What does this independence statement mean for U.S. stakeholders? Let's pause to unpack. What exactly does it mean when we talk about AI's influence on traditional industries? AI, in simple terms, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines designed to think and act like humans. In the stock market, for example, AI-driven algorithms are used to predict market trends, optimize trades, and even assess risks, dramatically transforming how trading operates. Are we standing on the precipice of an AI-driven economy? Just as we're unraveling these threads, consider this. While JP Chase saw a slight dip in its stock price, Nvidia soared by 4.32%. Now, you might be wondering why these fluctuations matter. Nvidia's upward trajectory is heavily linked to its growing involvement in AI hardware, essential for expansive data processing needs. Is the future of hardware irrevocably tied to the capabilities of AI? Stay with us, because right after this, we'll delve into how Intel's recent earnings and potential AI ventures could redefine tech landscapes. Welcome back. Intel's stock surge of 23% wasn't just a market reaction, it's a signal. The signal points to Intel's strategic positioning in AI development. Can artificial intelligence become the linchpin for traditional tech companies to regain dominance in today's dynamically competitive environments? Intel's recent earnings report highlights its intention to repurpose AI to not only enhance, but also reimagine its product offerings. The S&P 500, climbing by 0.77%, mirrors broader market optimism. Yet, could it also signify anticipations about AI's integration across sectors? Would you say AI is a catalyst, or is it transitioning to a core, much like electricity during the Industrial Revolution? On another front, with Nvidia's share price elevating to $208.27, the dynamism is palpable. There's a distinct possibility that the capital inflow into AI led to such a stark increase. But we can't ignore the dip in JP Chase's stocks. Does it reveal a deeper sentiment about traditional finance adapting or struggling in an AI-led future? Returning to our sports tech curiosity, the SF Giants move connects sports analytics with venture capitalism. It's intriguing to consider, how will real-time analytics, backed by AI, alter team strategies and fan experiences? The global shift towards AI isn't just reshaping markets, but is about to revolutionize every experience linked to sports, investing, and beyond. Let's wind down by offering a summarized reflection on the pivotal narratives we've explored today.
Does what you just heard make you want to dig deeper? Good, because that curiosity is exactly what brought you here, and the second part is going to take it further. Let's go.
First, the surging stock values triggered by corporate strides in AI, like Intel's, point towards an AI-centric future for U.S. markets, where technology isn't just an enabler, but a protagonist. Second, BYD's announcement of thriving without the US accentuates the changing dynamics of global market players who are increasingly autonomous thanks to advancements in AI. Third, novel financial maneuvers, epitomized by a banker converting real estate to AI shares, underscore a stark new investment paradigm that reflects confidence in AI's game-changing potential. In closing, are you poised to embrace these sweeping evolutions powered by AI that dictate market behavior? Or will you remain a passive observer in this revolutionary era? To stay sharp, start incorporating AI insights into your financial strategies, follow these evolving trends closely, and engage with AI learning opportunities. Subscribe now to track every twist and turn in this phenomenal journey of transformation. It's crucial to understand that AI isn't just an abstract concept or a distant futuristic idea anymore. It's here, and it's reshaping the world of finance and investment before our eyes. From algorithmic trading that outpaces human capabilities to AI-based risk assessment tools providing sharper insights than ever, the landscape is transforming rapidly. As you navigate this evolving terrain, consider how these tools can not only complement but elevate your decision-making process. Let's take algorithmic trading, for instance. What used to be the sole domain of institutional investors is now becoming accessible to individual investors. Sophisticated algorithms analyze vast data sets in real time, making split-second decisions that could mean the difference between profit and loss. It's a paradigm shift that requires us to rethink how we approach our investment strategies, focusing more on data-driven insights rather than solely on traditional analysis. Moreover, AI technology in the financial sector extends beyond trading. Consider credit assessments, where AI models are being utilized to analyze a broader set of data points than ever before, offering more nuanced credit scores. This means that individuals and businesses could gain access to credit markets that were previously off-limits, thereby opening up new financial opportunities. In wealth management, AI-driven robo-advisors are gaining traction, offering personalized portfolios and financial advice for a fraction of the cost of human advisors. These tools aren't merely leveraging AI to reduce fees. They're offering new ways to diversify portfolios, predict market trends, and ultimately grow wealth. However, with opportunity comes responsibility. As investors, you must stay informed about how such new technologies are being regulated, the ethical use of AI, data privacy issues, and the potential for bias within algorithms are ongoing concerns that require our vigilance. It's not just about harnessing AI for personal gain, it's about understanding its impacts on broader economic systems and societal structures. So, how do you ensure you're not left behind? Start by staying educated. Engage with seminars, webinars, and workshops focused on AI in finance. Consider partnerships with firms that specialize in AI-based financial solutions. If you haven't already, dip your toes into the world of AI-driven tools. Experiment with low-risk investments guided by AI insights, and gradually build a portfolio that reflects your increased understanding of these technologies. Remember, we're at the frontier of a transformative era where stagnation equates to obsolescence. By integrating AI into your financial practices, you're not only positioning yourself to keep pace with the future, but to lead in it. So, harness the power of AI, make informed decisions, and let innovation be your guide on this investment journey. Subscribe to stay updated, stay informed, and stay ahead because the future waits for no one. This is not financial advice. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and check the links in the first comment below.
That's a wrap for today on Dr. Fred Markets. I hope this gave you something to think about, a new angle, a clearer picture, a better question to ask. Remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, always. If this video added value to your day, subscribe. It's free, it takes 2 seconds, and it's the best way to support this work and keep it free for everyone. You'll also find every video as a full article on the blog, drfredmarkets.com, and the newsletter is in the bio. I'm Dr. Fred Markets. See you in the next one.